Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Do you want to take your online marketing to the next level? Do you want to create captivating content, engaging campaigns, and powerful sales pitches with ease? Do you want to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to boost your business success? Before we get started and dive into the review, I need to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 3 awesome bonuses that are going to propel you to the moon. Bonus number 1. Master any skill effortlessly with ChatGPT's proven strategies. Unleash your potential by learning any skill using ChatGPT. Dive into our guide for proven strategies that make mastering new skills a breeze. From languages to instruments, discover how to harness ChatGPT for efficient and enjoyable learning. Elevate your skills effortlessly. Bonus number 2. The new ways to do SEO in 2024. Implement quick and effective SEO wins alongside our tool, ensuring immediate improvements in your website's visibility and ranking in 2024. Bonus number 3. 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. Explore the future of innovation with our collection of 10 incredible AI tools you can't live without. From streamlining your workflow to enhancing creativity, these cutting-edge tools redefine the possibilities in your professional and personal life. Let's dive into the review. If you're like most online marketers, you know how hard it is to write effective copy that converts. You spend hours brainstorming, researching, writing, and editing, only to end up with mediocre results. You struggle to find the right words, the right tone, and the right message for your audience. You waste time and money on tools that don't deliver what they promised. But what if there was a better way? What if you could access a revolutionary conversational AI tool that lets you tap into the expertise of your team in your business? What if you could use over 1,000 prompts to create effective marketing campaigns and solutions for any query related to marketing asset creation? What if you could optimize your website, create stunning images, craft persuasive sales pages, and more with the guidance of top-tier developers and marketers? That's exactly what Chatgorilla Bundle can do for you. Chatgorilla Bundle is the ultimate AI-powered copywriting tool that helps you create compelling content effortlessly. With Chatgorilla Bundle, you can turbocharge your copy with cutting-edge capabilities, save time and streamline tasks from SEO to sales pitches, boost engagement, and enhance your online presence. Enjoy exclusive high-value bonuses with your bundle. Access everything at an unbeatable limited time, discounted rate. Don't miss this opportunity to get Chatgorilla Bundle today. This is a limited time offer that will expire soon. If you want to elevate your messaging and collaboration, get more done in less time, and grow your business exponentially, you need Chatgorilla Bundle. Click the button below and get instant access to Chatgorilla Bundle now.